ClubExpress Add-Ons Manager. ClubExpress offers many optional add-on modules and functions that can be enabled for your website for an additional fee. To enable one or more of these options, we can go to the Website tab of your control panel and click on the Add-Ons Manager. From this page, we can see a list of all available add-ons, a description of their functionality, price, and the option to activate, deactivate, or contact ClubExpress to configure the module. Once we click on an Activate button, we'll be asked to confirm our purchase of that add-on. Once an add-on is activated, it should immediately appear in the control panel in the appropriate tab. As an example, we've just enabled the Banner Ads module. If we now visit the Website tab of our control panel, we'll see that function now appears for us to configure. When an add-on is activated, the associated cost is added to your account, and you'll be charged at the end of the month along with any other monthly ClubExpress charges, like your hosting fee. Note that a few add-ons like membership cards have annual prices rather than monthly. These add-ons will be billed immediately at the time of activation and will be billed again on the same date in the following years. To disable and stop paying for an add-on, click the Deactivate button. A confirmation screen will appear and ask us to confirm the deactivation. We can choose to disable an add-on at any time. If we disable it prior to the last business day of a month, the add-on will remain active on our website until the end of the month, and no fee will be charged to your account at the end of that month. Certain add-ons require a more involved process to enable on our website. These add-ons show a Contact ClubExpress button rather than the normal Activate, Deactivate options. Clicking the Contact ClubExpress option will notify support of your interest in the add-on, and the support team will contact you as soon as possible. Organizations that have domain names and have ClubExpress managing email traffic receive 5 forwarding accounts for free as part of the ClubExpress subscription. We can add or remove additional email forwarding addresses from the add-on manager as needed. To add the number of forwarding email addresses that we have, we click the Additional Emails Configure button, enter how many additional emails we need, and click the Update and Save button. The email accounts will immediately appear in our Email Accounts configuration. Alternatively, if we want to remove any unneeded email accounts, we can use the trash can icon next to an unassigned or unneeded account. This will immediately remove the account, and we won't be billed for that account again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.